What's up guys, it's your boy Kevin here, and today I just want to show you something that I think will be good for you guys. Yes, first of all, this is my channel, and when you go to the about page, there is a disclaimer here, there is a description here. Okay, so the description says that deal with the forex, binary options, cryptocurrency. Yes, I can do all these things, and with the free and manual trading robots you can all read all that. But what I want to show you guys here is this. There is a disclaimer here. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm strictly operating on daily live trading, markets analysis and education. Okay, so most of you guys are coming on my inbox and telling me that how can I advise them on how to trade, on how to do anything. I'm not the financial advisor, please guys. When you're using a robot, first of all, you should know that there is losing and winning. That's why most of the mails I tell you to test the bot first before you trade on your real account. Okay, so whenever you do, test everything on your real account first. Okay, because I give you the bots for free. I'm not a scammer, and the scammers, what scammers normally do, they just sell you bots, but they will not give you how it works. But in this channel I show you how it works before I send you the bot. So if you're trading, sometimes you're trading the times that are not supposed to be traded on. Sometimes you guys are trading within the daylight, that is from maybe morning to evening, which some bots works, but most of the bots, the market is normally manipulated. That's why I normally tell you that for me, what works for me is between 10 from 10 p.m. okay, and that works for me. Okay, I'm telling you from my point of view. So whenever you're trading, just test all your trades from 10 p.m. That's the best time for me. Another thing, what is happening here, there is another thing that I saw here. Let me just open for you guys. There is this guy with this Telegram group. First of all, last time when I told you that there are scammers out there that are pretending to be me, and some guys from the comment section say that that guy was not a scammer, because I even show you the videos of the guy taking my videos and posting to his TikTok channel. And this time now is another guy. I don't know if the same guy, but there is another guy over here. He calls himself Kevin the Trader, which he also took my photo over here. As you can see, he's doing some forex. Okay, and he actually have 215 subscribers, which I think is most of you guys, because most of you guys know me, and this is detrimental to the channel, and it's also, you're going to be scammed here. Okay, nobody should pretend to be me. If I ever have a Telegram group or any other group, I will tell you on my channel, so that you subscribe or you join the group. But if I haven't told you about any group, any WhatsApp group, any Telegram group, so be aware of these scammers, because these scammers will scam you. Like this guy will scam you, and he's pretending to be me, and this guy is gonna scam you. I'm telling you guys. So if you come to my channel about page, there is the last point here. We don't and will never ever reach out to any platform for any investment opportunity. Beware of scammers. Okay, I knew what is going on because when I was producing cryptocurrency videos, most of guys were scammed, okay, with a guy that pretended to be me, and the guy was scamming people, actually scamming people, okay. But now what I'm saying is, watch out. If there is any investment opportunity from a guy called this, don't invest, because this guy is gonna scam you. Because if he can't put his own name over here, then that means there is a problem, okay. Hey, take for example, your name is so and so, and then you heard that somebody is pretending to be you somewhere. That will not be good, because why don't they call themselves their name? Why? Because they're using famous people, or they're using known people, okay, like you know me. So if they come in this and then give you something like this, in fact in this channel I haven't started a forex trading, which I'll start soon. But now this guy is, instead of giving binary, because if I could have started a channel, then I could have started binary bots and all the stuff, and all this investment include that entails binary, right? But this guy now is, as no for now you know me as a binary person, right? But this guy is now giving you forex, you see, which I haven't even produced on my channel. I haven't produced any forex video on my channel, in any forex content on my channel, right? So if you get something like this, you should be aware of it. I know maybe some of you guys have already been scammed. I just don't know. But whenever this thing happen, guys, there is only one email address that I will contact you with, which is the one that you normally send me some email. And this is, and each and every video, let's just go to one video. I show you the email address. Okay, let's say this video, right? I only use, first of all, I only use this email address, okay? For all my contacts, I use this email address. If the guy is not using this email address, first of all, whenever he wants you to send you something, then I think he'll send you to an email address. If it's not this email address, guys, that guy is a scammer, right? So this guy is a scammer, so be aware. In fact, he even took my photo here. He's written all my names here. So if I'm bashing something like this, last time when I bashed the scammer that was taking my videos and posting it to a TikTok channel, I read the comment section, and most of you guys were not happy, because maybe you know that guy personally, right? But if the question you should ask yourself is, if the guy cannot even use his videos or pretend to be me, then what do you expect? Like, this guy has used my name and my photo here. If the guy cannot use his name and his photo, why should you trust him, right? Why should you buy this forex stuff from him? So you're going to be scammed. So that is a warning that I wanted to tell you. Another thing is, I also wanted to introduce to you the binaryblocks.pro. This called the binaryblocks.pro. This is just the same as binary.com or deriv.com, but it has a lot of things in it, and it is dark, okay? And there is more functionality on both actually on both programming here. there is some advanced, like these things are not in the binary.com, like the functions, like the variables, like the loops. Okay, for those who know how to program the bot, sometimes they use this because it has a lot of functionality over here. Okay, but when you log in, like now, if I click login over here, it will actually take me to binary.com, right? It will actually take me to binary.com. So it's just the same thing. It's a different platform, but the programmer or the maker of this a trade is just trading like on binary. Okay, so when you log in, you're just going to log in on your binary.com. So what I think what you should do is, when you're registering, don't register here, register on binary.com. But if you want to log in, just log in through this, so that you can go here. So there is another thing I also wanted to show you. Some of you loads the bot and the bot is refusing to work, which is quite absurd. But if some things are not working on DERIV.com or binary.com, then come to binaryblocks.pro and upload everything here, and it will start to work. Yes, I haven't had some issues with this, but if some things are not working on the binary.com or the deriv.com, what I suggest is just come to here and clear the cookies. Just go to settings, okay, and go to privacy and security, and then clear the data. Okay, so this one will clear the cache, the cookies, and all that stuff. And then go to incognito window like this, the way we said in the last videos, and then log in here. Okay, so that the binary will not get your information over here. So then you start trading right away. But if you trade on your real browser, sometimes some things will not work the way as I told you in the last videos. Some things will not work, and some of you guys have been having problem with VPN. So if you're using a paid a free VPN, sometimes it can slow your network. Okay, if you're using a VPN and it's not paid, it can slow your network. So what you do, if you should not slow your network, because if your network is slow, the bot will not work as required. Okay, so what you do, just come here. Let's take, for example, now this is now your browser. Just come here, come into incognito window and start trading. So just don't go to VPN, because VPN will make your trade slower, right? So, and what I suggest, that if you are using maybe a certain Wi-Fi, just go to another Wi-Fi. So after you log in, this is what you will get. Then you come here to load the bot the way you normally do at your deriv.com or binary.com, and then just come here and run the bot. This is where you run the bot. Okay, so this is the under 9 bot that I have sent you guys. That was in my last video. This is the under 9 bot. So I just want you to show you how it is just the same thing. It works also on the binaryblocks.pro. So this is the website, binaryblocks.pro. It's just the same, but sometimes what you realize, that it has a low payout. Okay, because if I run the same bot here, let me just load this bot, load the same bot. downloads. I'll just blur everything here, and then I come here, I go to subscribe, and that. So I have loaded the bot. Okay, I'm actually working on my virtual account. If I run the bot, I just want to show you what is happening. No, I haven't cleared this. I was testing on that bot here. So if I run the bot, see what happens. So it is doing some analysis, and then it will start to run. In the meanwhile, just come here. I'm already at $44. 0 lose after 6 wins. As you can see, this one pays me $9, right? But this one will pay you $6. Okay, but it's more stable kind of a website than this one, according to me. This is more stable. You can get more wins here than when you're trading on binary.com or even deriv.com. So you can see 9.089. There's another one. This is the compound martingale bot, and you see, let me just stop it here. I just wanted to show you the payout here, and the payout here is just different thing, right? But most of the time you'll get more payouts here than this website. Okay, so that's what I wanted to shoot. As you can see, I have 10 virtual wins. Okay, it's a virtual account, but I have 10 wins at trading at $100. I've gotten like $83 here. So those are the few things that I wanted to show you, what I have observed from you guys. So I normally read each and every comment. Okay, so, and also give you what is good for you. So guys, be aware, and if you are having problems on binary.com, just come to binaryblocks.pro and you'll get this website here. It's just the same thing, and then you trade here. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.